We've all been there. You need to get money to someone overseas, fast. Maybe it's a supplier you work with, a family member needing a helping hand, or even yourself on a business trip. You fire up your favorite money transfer service, initiate the transfer, and then you wait. And wait. And sometimes, it feels like that money is on a scenic route around the globe, taking forever to reach its destination. Well, if you're using Airwallex, you might be wondering how long does it actually take to receive money? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into Airwallex transfer times and everything that can affect them. Faster than a snail, but not quite instant. Let's get the big question out of the way first. Airwallex itself boasts transfer times of 0 to 3 business days in most cases. That's a pretty good start, especially compared to traditional banks that can take a week or even longer. But here's the thing, that 0 to 3 day window isn't set in stone. There are a few factors that can influence how long it actually takes for your recipient to see the money in their account. Destination, planet Earth, or somewhere nearby. First up, location, location, location. Where is your money going? Transfers within the same region tend to be the fastest. Sending money from the US to Europe? You're probably looking at the closer end of that 0 to 3 day window. However, if you're sending funds across continents, like say, from Australia to Nigeria, it might take a little longer for them to clear. The intricate dance of currencies. Next, currency conversion can play a role. Airwallex allows you to send and receive money in a variety of currencies. However, the conversion process between those currencies can add an extra step, potentially causing a slight delay. Weekend warriors versus weekday wonders. Here's a sneaky one: timing is everything. If you initiate a transfer on a Friday afternoon, it might not actually get processed until the following Monday. Why? Banks and financial institutions have their own business hours, just like you and me. So, to ensure the fastest possible transfer, try to initiate your transactions during weekdays. The mysterious world of bank holidays. Speaking of business hours, don't forget about bank holidays. If either the sending or receiving bank is closed for a national holiday, your transfer will be delayed until the next business day. This might seem obvious, but it's easy to overlook in the heat of the moment. The fine print, verification, and compliance. Finally, there's the verification and compliance side of things. Airwallex, like any responsible financial institution, has to make sure everything is above board. This might involve additional checks on larger transfers or for new accounts. While these checks are important for security, they can add a little extra time to the process. The bottom line, be prepared. So, how long does it really take to receive money from Airwallex? The answer, as you see, isn't a simple one. It depends on a variety of factors. But by being aware of these factors, you can make informed decisions and avoid any nasty surprises. Pro tip, Airwallex actually has a pretty handy transfer time calculator on their website. This can give you a more accurate estimate based on your specific transfer details. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.